Hello friends, this is Dr. Neeta. It's an informational video about IAI3. Long form is International Association of Industry Institute Interface. Now, name itself is very self-explanatory that we would like to create some bridge between industry and institute. Whatever are the skill gap, actually, we were originally started this initiative for creating some kind of bridge courses and providing it to these kind of courses to industries and some educational organization. So we are in the process of doing that, and we have already developed very innovative courses for that. Now, what are the different kind of activities we are running under this organization? First, this organization is a non-profitable organization, and it's a voluntary organization that everyone can contribute within this organization voluntarily. Of course, we are not giving any kind of salary to those who are contributing, but of course they are getting some kind of benefits if they are contributing within this organization. So we are actually publishing our monthly newsletter. Within that, we are inviting research articles or whatever innovative articles you would like to contribute for the subjects in your expertise. That must be some creative subject and about the emerging trends and whatever is the requirement in the society. So based on that articles, we actually invite every month, and we publish digital newsletter on the monthly basis. That is one platform wherein you can showcase your talent if you are a good writer. Now, if you are a good orator, in that case, we are inviting trainers, coaches, mentors, or guides to showcase their talent through our another initiative, that is knowledge sharing session. So, knowledge sharing session, we do it on weekly basis. Now, currently during this lockdown period, we are continuing on the online Zoom session. Otherwise, in Pune, at our NTCS office, NITA Training and Consulting Services office, actually we used to conduct these knowledge sharing sessions. Now, again, these knowledge sharing sessions are free for both, means even trainer will not get paid, and the participants who are coming for learning, they don't have to pay anything. Now, what might be the you may think then what is the benefit? So benefit is learning, nothing else. So sharing knowledge, that is the only thing we are actually having one aim or goal behind that. Apart from that, whatever trainers are there, freelancers are there, we can actually give them opportunity to showcase their talent. We are going to promote their workshops, we are going to promote their event, and we are going to promote them, so they'll get opportunity to actually showcase their talent, their workshop, and let people know about their products and services, what kind of different workshops actually they would like to conduct, and they used to conduct, so that, and they will get that exposure. Along with that, whatever flyers will be generated on the social media and all, so that trainer get that visibility. So that is another benefit. Again, if you are becoming the member of IAI3, in that case you are getting some advertisement within our newsletters and on our website. You can also contribute through writing blogs on our website. So there are several things, actually several activities we are running under IAI3. So I welcome you all to contribute in whatever way you can. You may write if you are a good author. If you don't want to write, you can contribute by writing blogs. If you want to deliver your sessions, you can contribute your sessions, your knowledge through our knowledge sharing session. And apart from that, we need a team, technical team, who can actually release those newsletters and do that designing work. Then we need technical people for conducting this Zoom sessions. Even we are creating some videos, informational videos, learning videos also, for that animation part, video editing part. So those people who are interested for taking such kind of initiative, they can also contribute in IAI3. Again, people who can work on content development, just like I have already told you that we are creating bridge courses. Now this is for skill gap. Now whichever industry, technical industries are there, whatever skills they require, now you all know that whatever knowledge our students are taking from the colleges, from the educational organization, mostly it happens that it is outdated knowledge, and currently whatever things are going on in the market, and those things actually industry need, those kind of skills actually students lacks. So in that case industry has to spend lots and lot of money on the training part. So that kind of expenditure we would like to lessen from both the part, wherein if industry specific training, if we are doing tie up with the industry, we will get their requirement, and based on that we will create some customized program for them, and actually we will give those program to the students when they are taking their education itself. Means whenever that company is coming for campus interview, at that moment of time many of the student might have already gone through their specific requirement, and that will be very easy for them whenever they are recruiting them. So they have to spend very less amount of money on their training part. So this is how actually we are trying to create that interface between industry and institute. So these are few requirements, like for content development also we are having requirement. So you can contribute in any way, and of course you are going to get benefits in many ways. So you can contact us for details that how you are going to get benefited and all. In the description part I'll give you a contact number on which you can contact and ask queries and doubts to us. So this much about II3 information. Thank you very much.